Dear students and parents, today I am going to teach English grammar, English literature, and this is the new book which has been prescribed for the new session 2020-21. Kindly see this book, Real English Digital by M. Maglala Prabhatan. The contents are A Good Boy, The Magical Book, Hopping Frog, Bheem and Buffalo, The Doll Festival, and so on. The first chapter, you can say, is a poem, starting with poem, A Good Boy. Now, explaining, I woke before the morning. I was happy all the day. I never said an ugly word, but smiled and stuck to play. And now at the last, the sun is going down behind the wood. Wood means forest. And I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. My bed is waiting cool and fresh with linen smooth and fair, and I must off to sleeping and not forget my prayer. I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. No ugly dream shall fright my mind, no ugly sight my eyes. But slumber hold me tightly till I awaken in the dawn. Dawn means it is the part before the sunrise. And hear the thrushes singing in the lilacs around the lawn. The poem is written by R. L. Stevenson. Now here the poem describes about a boy who is always happy and he always wake up before the morning. He never says an ugly word, but he keeps smiling and stuck to play. And when the sun goes down behind the woods, means in the forest, and I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. And he believes that he has been good since morning till the evening. My bed is waiting cool and fresh, with linen smooth and fair. This says my bed is waiting neat and clean, with new bedsheet, and I must off to sleep in spy. That means I go to sleep, and before going to sleep he never forgets to say his praise to God and thank Him for the beautiful day he has passed. And I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. He believes that tomorrow again he will be seeing the sunrise. No ugly dream shall fright his mind, no ugly sight my eyes. He says that no ugly dream can fright me, and no ugly sight can be seen by my eyes. But slumber means sleep. But sleep hold me tightly till I awaken in the dawn. And when I sleep very tightly, with a good sound sleep, and I am going to awake in the dawn, and hear the thrushes singing. Thrushes means songs of birds around the lawn. Now you will do all these word meanings in the notebooks. All the word meanings. Then Here are some comprehension. Answer these questions. When did the boy wake up? Tick the correct answer. Now there are three options given. The C one is correct, before the morning. Second, which of the following is false? You tick the correct answer. The boy was happy all the day. The boy forgot his prayer. The boy was good because the boy was happy all the day. Then come to exercise. This exercise you will not do. Now add 3 more words to each row of the rhyming words. Day, play, way, stay, way, say. Would, good, should, would, could. क्या था ये? Elbowed. Fair, prayer, hair, snare, care, stare. Arise, eyes, tries, lies, wise, slice. Now here a good thing and bad. What make us call the boy in the poem a good boy? Now read the list of the good things the boy did in the course of the day. Then make a list of good things you can do in a day so people can call you a good boy or a good girl. Good things the boy did. He woke up before the morning. He never said a bad word. He did not forget his prayer. Now you have to write good things you can do. Now I care for my grandparents. I care for my good grandparents. I do my work myself. I do my work myself. I take care of my younger brother. I take care of my younger brother. I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen. I obey my parents. I obey my parents. Now you will write the poem in the notebook, the word meanings and the exercises we have done in the notebook. Tomorrow we will do the second lesson, the magical book